Ekene Maria, Egypt na Gracia, Osebru Anonyeli, Idingos next to Bolonine,
Good evening, good afternoon, morning, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right? The subscribe button is right here. And please remember to check out my new book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture.
Ekene Maria, Egypt na Gracia, Osebru Anonyeli, Idingos next to Bolonine, Ojazingos Buma forgive Jesu.
Maria Gasson, Ninkichuku, Yabala Ibandinjayo, Kita Amano, Amen.
Yabalanya, your own Ninkichuku Jaso, Ayo, I know you Chuku, Kirian Grasa, Limogai, Carbonian Jabutelosama, where Mali will have no place to be. Free Nubia. Where Batano still and beaten over, still a priest to Amen. Otito the rain and one among so. Otito the rain and one among so. Otito the rain and one among so. Kabulo bindini no galaga. Amen.
Onye nwanyi nọnyere ụnụ ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ.
Amen.
Ebele abịala ga-esite na nkwado ndị Love Bite Foods and Beverages Limited Nnobi. Ndị na-alụpụta Love Bite Bread nọ na nọmba 1 Nwotu Mmaduka Close, Umuru Nnobi. 081 49 82 82 54.
Ebona the FM, 24 hours of informative, educative, and entertainment programs. Can't stop, won't stop. On Ebona the 103.5 FM.
Listen to news updates on Ebona the 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona the FM breaks the news with actualities.
And the link that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM news update. Today, Monday, the 19th day of February 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ifeanyi Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Jubilation as Soludo inspects Port Harcourt, Niger roads in Onitsha. Governor Otu hails Abia Governor Oti at 59. AZU OGBUNIKE community celebrates ARO New Year. Ukrainian troops in key withdrawal as ammunition shortage bites. Now, details. Jubilation as Soludo inspects Port Harcourt, Niger roads in Onitsha. It was jubilation galore at Port Harcourt Road and Niger Street, Figi, Onitsha, South Local Government Area, Anambra State on Friday, as Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, while inspecting the completed Port Harcourt Road, had a sort of town hall meeting with Figi landlords and residents. Addressing the residents, the governor expressed dissatisfaction with interstate buses blocking drainages and mandated a 5-meter clearance from the drainages. He vowed to make Figi the best neighborhood anyone can live in and announced that a new general hospital would be built and completed before the end of the year in his bid to encourage a green, clean, and sustainable environment. He also announced 18 million naira for 3 cleanest and greenest streets, adding that the Best street will smile home with 10 million naira. Second best to go home with 5 million naira, while the third will get 3 million naira. Solar power solutions will be implemented in the Anambra fruit and vegetable market, Obaru, to address electricity shortages. Soludo further stated. Governor Otu hailed Abia Governor Oti at 59. Governor Basi Otu has extended his best wishes to his Abia State counterpart and friend, Dr. Alex Oti, on his 59th birthday celebrations. The Cross River State Governor, in a birthday message by Emmanuel Oboche, his chief press secretary, described Oti as a titan amongst the patrons of revolutionary bankers in Nigeria, which Senator Otu said Dr. Oti has brought to bear with his giant strides in Abia State. My brother, governor, and friend, Dr. Alex Oti, having known you for such a long time, I can attest to your formidable intellect, charisma, and goal-getting nature. Your rise is owed to your deeds of hard work, commitment, focus, and sense of determination and quest for excellence. As you mark this historic milestone of your birthday today, I bring the warmest wishes of my family and the good people of Cross River State, and pray that the good Lord will continue to strengthen you, imbue you with the courage and wisdom to serve Abia State and Nigeria in general as diligent as you have been. Happy birthday, he stated. AZU OGBUNIKE community celebrates IGBO New Year. Even in the absence of a traditional ruler, OGBUNIKE community continues to promote their cultural values courtesy of individuals who are rooted in the tradition of the community. As OGBUNIKE community celebrates the IGBO or Onwa Esato, which marks the beginning of the year and farming season for Igbo people. A practice passed from generation to generation also celebrates the dignity of labor, an opportunity to plan and pray for a better farming season. The event saw in attendance members of OGBUNIKE community, home and abroad, at Dr. Chuma Odele Harris, Ugwefi Ogene, now OGBUNIKE. Here is a report. Please take a listen.
The practices of the forefathers of Igbos continues to trend in AZU OGBUNIKE with the contributions of individuals who are rooted with customs and tradition in Igbo land, ARO, which marks the beginning of the year in Igbo calendar. A celebration done to mark the beginning of the farming season has been kept in AZU OGBUNIKE till today as the PRO, OGBUNIKE Progressive Union, Ishe Ekene Ikesha, Ugochi Debel OGBUNIKE, eulogizes Ogwefi Ogene OGBUNIKE for his contributions in preserving the traditions of OGBUNIKE community.
I remember today, all in the name of revival and the renaissance of OGBUNIKE culture and tradition. Yes, my mentor is there. He's the one upholding the culture. He's been in the forefront. So now I can when I'm all these cultures only have only our forefathers in the but along the line we kind of try to lose track. So but being that him is the custodian and all for they try to inoculate every tradition on one keep play. Yeah, it's not easy. A couple of today like 2 or 3 years ago, he has been on the forefront trying to follow OGBUNIKE culture and everything. But do easy. And then OGBUNIKE last year, we invited him. He partnered with OGBUNIKE Progressive Union. He was at the whole front of everything at the ceremony of Mafma. The New Year Festival, he was among the sponsors and everything. He played a very big part. Not only OGBUNIKE in every village, every cultural cultural identity of that village. That the OGBUNIKE cultural identity is revived.
Though everyone in Nigeria and the world use the Gregorian calendar, Chief Ezika Ugochukwu Ochiaha OGBUNIKE believes that the 14th of February, Onwa Esato in Igbo land, as he points out, is a benefit to the modern Igbo society.
Onwa Esato, ịgbakọchukwu ibe niile nwere n'ubi na-echezi ka mmiri pụta ka ebido kọba ife ọfụ andị nọ n'ọnwa mbụ n'ọgụgụ Igbo ndị mmadụ Igbo ọmụma mara ọnwa ọmụma ma nọ n'izuụka gara aga ka na Igbo bidoro n'arọ mbụ na ọ bụrụ Jenụwarị na ọgụgụ Igbo bụ ọnwa mbụ Igbo n'ọnwa Febụwarị 14 bụ ọnwa mbụ bụrụ mbido mbụ na Igbo ekwesịrị na ọgụgụ
Chief OGBUNIKE K, the Chief AC Okwoona Ezoba Obunike explained the essence of ARO and why Ogbuefi Ogene took the responsibility to celebrate it.
Na-akwado mmadụ na-akwado mmụọ ogene bụ mmadụ nwere mmụọ ịkwado ọ nwere obi ịkwado mmadụ kwado mmụọ ọ na-akwado ọdịnala Ogbunike maka na ọ bịa dịka asị na ụka bịazi ọdịnala ala o wee bụrụ ofu onye n'ime ndị ọzọ na-enwere mmasị ịkwalitekwa omenala ahụ ka ọ na-etinyetakwa dị mma karịa ka ọ dị na mbụ abụrụ na ọsọrọ bịa ka a na-eme kama na ya gwara mmụọ oriri wee mee chịkọnata wee mee udo wee mee ka ọ kpọkọnata ndị obodo.
Dr. Chuma Odili Harris Udokamma Ogbuefi Ogene Ogbunike explains the value of ARO celebration and how it upholds the dignity of labor.
Our value. If you look at this festival, it brings us together as a people. It brings unity amongst us. It fosters unity, gives sense of belonging, restore our dignity. So that we cannot do without our culture because it's who we are. Okay, and so today, what it calls for is the fact that there is dignity in labor. So we are celebrating this because we want to urge everyone to do what to go back to farm. Farming, not necessarily going to a farmland. Farming means go and do something good with your time. Go out there and make a living doing what is right, morally right. Okay, so we celebrate dignity in labor. That is actually when you want to bring it to the present day. And so this culture is a whole and will continue to stay and will outlive every one of us here.
From AZU OGBUNIKE, Martin Epa Ekeze reporting.
Now we move over to the foreign scene. Ukrainian troops in key withdrawal as ammunition shortage buys. Dwindling ammunition threatens Ukraine's hold on the 1,000-kilometer front line under withering assault by Russian artillery. Defensive lines are in jeopardy. Ukrainian forces withdrew from the city of Avdiivka in the Donetsk region on Saturday after daily Russian onslaughts from three directions for the last 4 months. Avdiivka was a stronghold for Ukrainian positions deeper inside the country, away from Russia, a frontline city ever since Russia first invaded Ukraine in 2014. The fortified settlement with a maze of trenches and tunnels served to protect important, less strengthened logistical hubs further west. Its seizure boosts Russian morale and confirms that the Kremlin's troops are now setting the pace in the fight, to the dismay of Ukrainian forces who have managed only incremental gains since their counter-offensive last year. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Jubilation as Soludo inspects Port Harcourt, Niger roads in Onitsha. Governor Otu hails Abia Governor Oti at 59. AZU OGBUNIKE community celebrates ARO IGBO New Year. Ukrainian troops in key withdrawal as ammunition shortage bites. You just listened to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Epa Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/gistfm. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebona 103.5 FM with Martin Ifeanyi every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebona 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date. How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebona FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be, Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the root of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifeanyi number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebona 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On Ebona the corner 24/7, 24/7.
Ndewonu, Asambu Mmụta Josephine Ujunwa, album Adogidi 2024. Ana m asị ka unu na-ege Ebona 103.5 FM Ogidi.
Yes, Omunya, are you ready? Omunya City White Crusade. Ọ ga-adị ụmụnye nakwa obodo niile gbara ya okirikiri gaji ịghọta mbitụ aka Chineke n'ụzọ ga-adị ebube dịka Evangelist John Oka ga-atụ dan n'ụmụnya iji wee chịkọba ọgbakọ oziọma mkpụrụ abalị abụọ ga-ada ụda akpọrọ Two Nights of Solution, abalị abụọ iji wee weta ogbo nyere nsogbu gị niile. Isiokwu ya bụ Enough is Enough. Tell Ahab Elijah is here. O zuola, ọ tụọla ya. Amụghị nwa gị ahụ atụọla ya. Ọnọdụ ụbịam, o mebiri ma chi ekwe gị ahụ atụọla ya. Nrịanrịa ahụ na-emekpa gị ahụ, nsogbu nke ezinụlọ, abụmọnụ, alụghị di maọbụ nwaanyị n'oge kwesịrị, ha niile ga-abịa n'isi njedebe maka na eluigwe esugo ya stam. Cheta na ọ bụ Apostle Dr. John Oka ka Chineke ga-ejikwara ngwa ọrụ n'ọgbakọ oziọma a. Ọ ga-amalite n'abalị 23 wee ruo n'abalị 24 nke ọnwa Febrụwarị afọ a. Ọ ga na-amalite ma o jiri ọkara gafeta elekere 4 nke mgbede n'ụbọchị ndị a niile, ebe ọ ga n'ime ebunilu ndị ichie họl dị n'ụmụnya. Maka ajụjụ kpọọ 0703 3881 221. Kpọrọ ndị ezinụlọ gị, kpọrọ ikwu na ibe gị, bịa sonye n'ihe omume a maka na Elijah nọ n'ebe a. Jizọs bụ eze.
Ladies and gentlemen,
okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right,
on your smooth ride. Let's go. It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebona FM, keeping your morning.